Hey everybody, this is Tom, and we have a new guest today, Lisa. That's my lovely wife. And then Mark isn't here today, but we have his twin, Margot. All right, we're coming in. Just kind of punch the shore and then we collect all the trash. Now, you can see it all. Margot's working the shore over here. There's a lot of water bottles and that sort of thing, but over here we got a whole flotilla of trash. You know, kind of captured by this pilings by this bridge. Margot, what do you got?
Got a fishing pole.
Someone's fishing pole, really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Shakespeare ugly stick. I think that's one of the best. Want to see what I got? I got 2 5-gallon buckets. Over here we see some oil cans and such. Going in there. Here's Lisa going for the last Powerade bottle. Can she do it? Can she get it? She's got it.
Right here, so we have to duck really low. Whoa. We're real close. Since Mom won't look up when we're going under, she doesn't know when we come up, so she ends up staying under. And look at that. Ton of machinery right there and iron ore and stuff. Wow.
What we found, Margot? What do you got?
I got a rubber fish and I got a fishing rod.
All right, let's look in the big 55-gallon drum. We got quite a bit of stuff. Lots of water bottles, coffee cups. We got 3 barrels, 3 buckets today. This one's joint compound. This one was, I don't know what that was, a paint. And this one's another thing of joint compound. That one's full. And then another bin of trash. So, a fruitful day. We got a lot of trash out of the environment. Had a good time. Trash fishing's a lot of fun.